Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my new video. It's me Babu here today. Today in this video I'm going to talk about that you can speak English, okay? But you know that lots of sentence, but sorry to say that you can't speak English. But why? So today I'm going to talk about that. Okay, last couple of days I didn't practice my spoken English, but that I was super busy with our work. That though I come to my village and I try to enjoy myself. So that is why I didn't focus my study, and that's been about English, about anything. But I'm trying to enjoy myself. So as you can see, that is I don't know that what is this, and this is a Bangla bola hচ্ছে সরিষা. Okay, the thing is that means you cannot speak English, but main thing is that you didn't practice, but you didn't try to speak. Okay, but you can tell me that I tried, but I don't know that how to speak. No, you have to practice every day. Continuously you have to practice. If you practice, and it will be all right. But you know that nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if you try. Okay, just continuously try to make some videos, try to upload some videos. If you upload some videos and you will make mistake, then the people will show you that where is your mistake. Sometimes whenever I try to share any videos, the people are commenting me that brother, you are making mistake here, that you should solve it. Okay, that's why I'm trying, and thank you so much for comment me. Also thank you so much for supporting me, and thank you so much for supporting me. Okay, so right now guys, that in our village I'm trying to make some videos. So thank you so much. Just try করেন, চেষ্টা করেন, ভিডিও আপলোড করেন। ভিডিও আপলোড দিলে মানুষ আপনাকে ভুল ধরিয়ে দিবে, আর ভুল ধরিয়ে দিলে আপনি ওখানে সংশোধন করার একটা সহজ মাধ্যম পাইবেন। ঠিক আছে, আমাদের অনেক ভাই বোনরা আছে যারা আমাদেরকে অনেক সাহায্য করেছে, যে ভুল ধরিয়ে দিতেছে, এবং আমরা চেষ্টা করতেছি প্রতিনিয়ত। সো এইভাবে আপনি চেষ্টা করেন, একটা মানুষ ভুল ধরিয়ে দিবে, আর ভুল ধরানোর জন্য আপনার মন খারাপ হবে। মন খারাপ করা যাবে না, জাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াসলি চেষ্টা করেন। সো হয়তো 2 দিন পর আমি আবার কুমিল্লা চলে যাব, সো সেই কারণে আমি চাইলাম যে কয়েকটা ভিডিও করি। সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।